I gotta close my eyes for this shit. Okay, 1, 2.
Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got
Josh.
and a brand new iPhone 11 Max. And today we're gonna do a drop test. We're gonna drop the phone from 24 stories or 240 feet approximately and see if it survives, what it looks like. And we're gonna get it opened. So let's open it now. Zip.
And we're about to chug it off of a building.
Okay guys, we're gonna get it all set up and we're gonna
First and last hello. Hola.
Okay guys, we're gonna get it set up and we'll be back when we're ready. It's fully working iPhone Pro Max. We just set it up. It's got everything working. Got 3 cameras in the back. Let's go see if it survives 240 feet, 24 stories. Hey guys, we got it in the OtterBox Defender drop protection case. And let's see, does it survive? Does it survive? Put a slow-mo video. Let's go.
All right, guys, we're back. So we're about to start this wonderful dropping of the iPhone Pro 11. Right now, I'm just trying to. Oh shit! How do you? Oh, haha. You got it? Oh, there you go. Ha, cool. So we're just gonna put it on slow mo. Right now, it's not recording. Let's oh. That's one more drop, man. That's a drop. All right. We have Panda. He's all the way down there somewhere. I actually don't see his head, but he's somewhere down there. I'm about to drop it now. All right, let's do this. I want you to know 100% disclosure. I feel so horrible about doing this, and I am so sorry. iPhone, iProducts, and everything of that nature. I gotta close my eyes for this shit. Okay, 1, 2. Oh, I can't do it. Okay, 1, 2. Fuck. 3.
So it landed in the bushes here. It is still alive because I'm using Find My iPhone, and it is still alive. It is still there somewhere. So we're gonna search for it. I'm gonna play the sound and we're gonna see it. All right, guys, I hear it. I hear it. Oh, it's there. It's there. It survived. Wow. It's here. It survived. No damage. No damage. Wow. No damage. It survives with the case, obviously. Alright guys, quick recap. We're back in the car, no wind. The iPhone, everything is working. Brand new. It still looks brand new. Just dropped from 240 feet, 24 stories, not one scratch on it. And the case, this is the outer part of the case, has no signs of damage either. So it was a good test.
So OtterBox is a shit.
OtterBox drop protection recommended. That's all we have for you today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. And leave us a comment down below about what you think we should do with this iPhone next. Should we
bake it?
Should we bake it? Should we throw it in the pool? Should we throw it in the ocean? Should we drop it from a drone? Leave us a comment on what you guys think that we should do with the iPhone 11 next. And we might just do it. Peace.
Peace.